Real quick, I wanted to go through recalculating if you happen to get below this dimension, this 2.62 dimension, how to recalculate that. And the two things you need to recalculate are this narrow dimension here and this 1.75 dimension. So we're going to call this one X and we're going to call this one Y, and we're going to go from there. And so what we know, let's just say we happen to go down to 2.25. 2.25. That's our new calculation. And so let's say we go do our two calculations here, right? And as we do this, one of the things we want to pay attention to, we know that our new dimension is 2.25. So whatever your new dimension is goes there. We know what our old dimension is. You can use 6.2 or 6.25 is what it originally was. I'm going to go calculate X first. And so I know my new ones are up top. This is all new. So I'm going to put X on top because it'll be my new dimension. My old dimension is 1.125. And so now, just like it's been for many, many years, we're going to cross multiply here and then divide by 2.625. So the math looks something like 2.25 times 1.125. All of that divided by 2.625. And that will be my new X value. And then I do the whole thing again for the Y. On the Y, my 2.25 over 2.625 will equal Y over, what was the old, 1.75. And so again, I do all the math on that. I get 2.25 times 1.75 divided by 2.625, and that will give me my new Y value. Those will be these new dimensions as you're on the lathe working. But that's only if we get smaller than 2.625. So your goal is to not get smaller than 2.625. Otherwise, you must do these recalculations, and that will be your new target when you're lathing this down. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you later.